Ditshwantsho tsena ke tsona tse ileng tsa tlala dikgokahanyong tsa setjhaba mme tsa baka hore Lufuno Mavhunga ya neng a le lemo di 14 a ipolaye. Ditho tsa palamente di le tsholong la ho tsumula ditlhokofatso tsa barutwana ka metso.
In view of the stubbornness in disrupting the vicious cycle of violence and bullying in schools, including the prevalence of abuse of alcohol and drugs in schools, we are rolling out a program geared towards school safety, violence and bullying prevention initiative.
Bohle ba ntsweleng ntlheng ya hore molao o lekodisiswe hape.
Learners must not be able to resort to suicide under different pressures. Our learners and youth in general should have confidence in their teachers, in their principals, and any other relevant authority to protect and resolve any issue.
According to the NGO Safer Schools indicators, a staggering 3.2 million young South Africans are bullied every year.
There must be a dedicated social program to remove drugs and alcohols in schools and discourage them as a youth culture.
The threat of criminal sanction and a permanent criminal record must serve as a wake-up call to the other pupils.
Teachers lose their authority to enforce discipline at schools, which means that bullies usurp that authority and exercise it without the necessary knowledge or comprehension of its consequences.
Lefapha le boletse ha diphephetso tsa barutwana dithutong tsa bona le mathata malapeng e le sesosa sa ditlhokofatso. Ho sa le jwalo, nyewe ya mohlokofatsi wa Lufuno Mavhunga e tla boela kgotla ka la 29 kgweding e tlang ya Phupjane.